Hello and welcome to Chilltalk English. I'm Henry.
And I'm Emma. Hi, everyone.
Today's episode is for you if you want to sound more natural in English without long speeches.
Yes, we're talking about a super useful skill, small talk.
Small talk is those short, friendly chats we have in daily life, at work, at school, in a store, on the bus.
It's like a little bridge. It helps you connect with people, even strangers.
I used to think small talk was pointless.
Henry, you also think a fun weekend is cleaning your kitchen.
That is fun, sometimes.
Small talk is not about being deep. It's about being kind, simple, and relaxed.
And good news, you don't need perfect grammar. You need a few easy sentences you can reuse.
So, today we'll give you 100 small talk sentences for real situations.
We'll also do a short role-play conversation. Then we'll break it down.
And at the end, you'll get a simple speaking challenge you can do today.
If you can, grab a notebook or just listen and repeat with us.
Ready? Let's jump in. Beat.
First, what is small talk?
Small talk is light conversation. It's usually safe topics, nothing too personal.
It can be about the weather, your day, a place, food, weekend plans, simple stuff.
And the goal is friendly connection, not perfect English.
I like that because perfect English is not my daily hobby.
Same. So let's make it easy. We'll go category by category.
As you listen, notice two things.
1. The sentences are short. 2. Many are questions, so the other person can answer.
Great. Category 1 is greetings and first lines. Here are 10.
Repeat after us if you want.
Sentence 1. Hi there. How's it going?
Sentence 2. Hey, nice to see you.
Sentence 3. Good morning. How are you today?
Sentence 4. Hi, I don't think we've met. I'm Emma.
Sentence 5. I'm Henry. What's your name?
Sentence 6. Is this your first time here?
Sentence 7. How do you know the people here?
Sentence 8. What brings you here today?
Sentence 9. It's been a while. How have you been?
Sentence 10. Great to run into you.
Quick tip. If you forget everything, just use hi plus a simple question.
Exactly. Hi, how are you? Is always okay.
Category 2 is weather and the day. Another easy classic.
People use weather talk because it's safe, no pressure.
Sentence 11. It's a beautiful day today, isn't it?
Wow, it's really windy out there.
Sentence 13. It feels colder than yesterday.
I think it might rain later.
Sentence 15. The sky looks so clear today.
This heat is no joke.
Sentence 17. I love this kind of weather.
At least it's not too humid today.
Sentence 18. The weather changed so fast.
How's the weather been where you live?
Category 3 is daily life check-ins, small, friendly questions.
These work with neighbors, classmates, coworkers, anyone.
Sentence 21. How's your day going so far?
Has your week been okay?
Sentence 22. You look busy today. Everything all right?
How have things been lately?
Sentence 25. Did you have a good morning?
Long day today, huh?
Sentence 26. Are you keeping yourself busy these days?
Anything fun happen recently?
Sentence 30. How's life treating you?
I hope your day is going smoothly.
Category 4 is work and job small talk.
We'll keep it simple and polite.
Sentence 31. How's work been lately?
Is it a busy week for you?
Sentence 32. What do you do for work?
Do you work nearby?
Sentence 35. How long have you been in your job?
Are you working on anything interesting right now?
Sentence 37. How did your meeting go?
Are you done for the day or still working?
Sentence 39. Do you like your team?
I hope work isn't too stressful this week.
Category 5 is school and learning.
Perfect for students and also for English learners like you.
Sentence 41. What are you studying these days?
Do you have a lot of homework right now?
Sentence 42. How was class today?
Are you preparing for any exams?
Sentence 45. Which subject do you like the most?
Which subject is the hardest for you?
Sentence 47. Do you study in the morning or at night?
Are you learning English for work or for travel?
Sentence 49. What's one word you learned recently?
Let's practice together sometime.
Category 6 is weekends and free time.
People love talking about this because it's relaxed.
Sentence 51. Any plans for the weekend?
What did you do last weekend?
Sentence 53. Did you get time to rest?
I mostly stayed home and recharged.
Sentence 55. I went out for a walk. It felt great.
I watched a movie and ate snacks.
Sentence 57. Do you prefer quiet weekends or busy ones?
What do you usually do on your days off?
Sentence 59. Have you been anywhere new recently?
Sentence 60. I'm looking for something fun to do this weekend.
Category 7 is food, cafes, and restaurants.
This is my favorite category.
Sentence 61. That smells really good. What did you order?
Sentence 62. Have you tried the food here before?
Sentence 63. Do you like coffee or are you more a tea person?
Sentence 64. I'm still deciding. What do you recommend?
Sentence 65. This place is always crowded.
Sentence 66. The service here is pretty fast today.
Sentence 67. I love the atmosphere in here.
Sentence 68. Are you eating in or taking it to go?
Sentence 69. I'm trying something new today.
Sentence 70. I could eat this every day.
Category 8 is shopping and public places.
Simple lines for stores, gyms, libraries, anywhere.
Sentence 71. Excuse me, is there a line?
Sentence 72. It's busy today, isn't it?
Sentence 73. Do you come here often?
Sentence 74. I'm looking for a small gift. Any ideas?
Sentence 75. That's a good deal.
Sentence 76. I like this place. It has a nice feel.
Sentence 77. I'm not sure what to choose.
Sentence 78. Do you know where the checkout is?
Sentence 79. I've heard good things about this store.
Sentence 80. I'm just browsing today.
Category 9 is compliments and friendly comments.
Compliments should be simple and respectful.
Sentence 81. I like your shoes. They look comfortable.
Sentence 82. That color looks great on you.
Sentence 83. Your haircut looks nice.
Sentence 84. You explained that really clearly. Thank you.
Sentence 85. You have a great smile.
Sentence 86. I like your energy today.
Sentence 87. That's a smart idea.
Sentence 88. You did a great job.
Sentence 89. I like your style.
Sentence 90. You're really easy to talk to.
Category 10 is keeping the conversation going and ending politely.
This is where many learners feel stuck, so listen carefully.
Sentence 91. Really? That's interesting.
Sentence 92. Tell me a little more about that.
Sentence 93. How did you get into that?
Sentence 94. What do you like most about it?
Sentence 95. That makes sense.
Sentence 96. I totally get what you mean.
Sentence 97. Anyway, it was great talking with you.
Sentence 98. I should get going, but let's talk again soon.
Sentence 99. Have a good rest of your day.
Sentence 100. Take care and see you around.
That's 100. Whew, I feel like I just ran a marathon with words.
You did great. And listeners, you don't need to memorize all 100.
Right. Choose a few you like, practice those, then add more later.
Now, we promised a role play. Let's do it.
In today's role play, we're at a community gym lobby. There's a small juice counter.
And we bump into each other after a workout class. Nothing dramatic, just real life.
Okay, role play time. Beat.
Hey, are you done with your workout?
Yeah, finally. Long day today, huh?
Seriously, and wow, it's really windy out there.
I know. The weather changed so fast.
By the way, I like your shoes. They look comfortable.
Oh, thanks. I needed something soft for my feet.
Same. So, how's work been lately?
Busy week, meetings all day. How about you?
Pretty good. I'm learning English for work, so I'm trying to practice every day.
That's awesome. What's one word you learned recently?
Recharge. Like, I stayed home and recharged.
Nice. I mostly stayed home and recharged last weekend, too.
Any plans for the weekend?
I'm looking for something fun to do this weekend. Maybe a hike if it's not raining?
That sounds great. Oh, have you tried the drinks here before?
Not yet. I'm still deciding. What do you recommend?
The mango one is good, and it's not too sweet.
Perfect. That smells really good. What did you order?
I got a green tea smoothie. I could eat this every day. Well, drink.
You're really easy to talk to.
You too. Anyway, it was great talking with you.
Yeah, I should get going, but let's talk again soon.
For sure. Have a good rest of your day.
You too. Take care and see you around.
End roleplay. Beat. Okay, let's break down why that sounded natural.
First, we started with a simple opener. Are you done with your workout?
It's easy because the answer is simple. Yes or no.
Then we used weather talk. It's safe and it creates a friendly mood.
Next, Emma gave a small compliment. I like your shoes.
Compliments work well when they're not too personal. Shoes, a jacket, a clear explanation. Safe choices.
Then we moved to work and learning. How's work been lately? And I'm learning English for work.
Notice we didn't go too deep. No big problems, no heavy topics.
And we kept the conversation going with small questions like, what's one word you learned recently?
That's a fun one for English learners, and it makes the chat useful.
Then we ended politely. Anyway, it was great talking with you.
That word anyway is a nice signal. It gently closes the chat.
Now, how can you practice small talk in real life? Let's give clear steps.
Step 1, pick 3 sentences from today. Only 3.
Step 2, say them out loud at home. Repeat them 5 times.
Step 3, use just one sentence in real life.
For example, at a store, you can say, "It's busy today, isn't it?"
Or at school, you can say, "How was class today?"
Another tip, use follow-up questions. If someone answers, you can say, "Really? That's interesting." Or, "Tell me a little more about that."
Also, don't panic if there is silence. Silence is normal.
Yes, you can smile, breathe, and ask a simple question. Now it's time for a listener challenge.
We want you to speak today, not just listen.
Your challenge is choose 5 sentences from this episode.
Write them down, then use them in real life today or tomorrow.
Use them with a classmate, a coworker, a neighbor, or even online.
If you don't meet anyone, no problem. Record a voice note to yourself.
Say the 5 sentences clearly, then listen once.
And be kind to yourself. Small talk is a skill. Skills take time.
Before we go, let's do a tiny recap.
Small talk is short, friendly conversation. It helps you connect.
You learned 100 sentences for greetings, the weather, daily life, work, school, weekends, food, public places, compliments, and polite endings.
Pick a few, practice them, and use them this week.
Thanks for spending time with us on Chilltalk English.
We're proud of you for learning. Keep going.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Take care.